Today, I'm making my spaghetti squash with chicken and tomatoes. Carefully cut the spaghetti squash lengthwise. Then scrape out all the seeds. Drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle it with sea salt. Then place it flesh side down. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes on 375 degrees. Cut the chicken into thin strips. Then cut those strips in half. Slice the tomatoes. Over medium heat, add the olive oil and then the tomatoes and toss in the oil. Add the chicken, the salt, the garlic, and the Italian seasoning. Toss it together and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Once the spaghetti squash is cool enough to handle, begin scraping the strands from the sides of the squash with a fork. Add a few tablespoons of olive oil and toss. Sprinkle with the salt, the garlic, and the Italian seasoning to taste, and mix that together. Add a few tablespoons of the cheese and mix. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Now put some of the spaghetti squash on a plate. Add the chicken and the tomatoes. Finally, just top with a little more cheese. Thanks for watching.